Hi friends, and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's nice of you to join us today. Now my friends, let's all get started by singing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Now friends, let's find out what day it is today. Day is Friday. Yes, it's Friday. And we are in the month of September. Wonderful friends. Let's sing our 7 days song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job, friends. Let's all say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Great job, friends. Now, let's find out about the weather for today. Let's all sing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a little rainy. What about where you are, friends? What kind of weather are you having? So now, let's find out about the number of the day for today. Yes, the number of the day is the number 4. Can we count to 4? Well, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job, friends. That's our number for today. The number 4. Now, let's find out about the color of the day today. The color of the day today is the color black. Yes, black, one of our national flag colors. Our colors of the national flag are red, white, and black. Now, let's talk about our shape of the day today. Our shape of the day today is a circle. Yes, a circle is nice and round. Yes, like the sun in the sky. Great job, friends. Now, let's get into our activity for today. Now we all know that Republic Day is coming up very soon, and we have a fun activity for you today. We're going to be making some Republic Day pudding. Yes, it's a fun and delicious activity. Now, as we might know, Republic Day happens every year on the 24th of September. And tomorrow is the 24th of September. So I'm going to be wishing you Happy Republic Day, Trinidad and Tobago, because tomorrow we are going to be celebrating Republic Day. Trinidad and Tobago became a republic on the 1st of August 1976. But we celebrate Republic Day on the 24th of September. This is because Trinidad and Tobago had its very first parliament sitting on this day. So every year we celebrate Republic Day on the 24th of September. This meant for us as a country that we were allowed to choose our own president, prime ministers, members of parliament, and a lot more. We even have our national symbols. Take a look at our national symbols of Trinidad and Tobago. Our national symbols of Trinidad and Tobago are our national flag, our coat of arms, the national instrument, the steel pan, the national flower, the chiconia, our national birds, the scarlet ibis and the cocorico, and the national medals, the chiconia medal, hummingbird, and the Order of the Republic medals. These are the symbols of Trinidad and Tobago. Now let's get into our activity for today. We are going to be making some Republic Day pudding, so here's what you would need: some cornstarch, milk, sugar, and some food coloring. Alright friends, and of course you need your mommy and your daddy to help you with the cooking part of this activity, but of course you can help mix all the ingredients together. So I'm going to start by adding my cornstarch. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of my spice. I have some 5 spice powder and my milk. And I'm going to just mix this in before I go over to the stove. Now of course you're going to get some help from your mom and dad to finish it off on the stove. Just takes about a minute or so, but you want to make sure it's mixed before you head to the stove. Now I'm using coconut milk. You can use regular milk if you want to, any milk you like. Very low heat, and I'm just stirring. Alright, so keep stirring on your low heat until it starts to thicken up like this, and when it's like this, I'm going to switch off the stove and then move it across to the table. Alright, so I divided my pudding into 2 bits so I can color one of them red. So I'm going to just add a few drops of my food coloring here, and I'm just going to mix that up until I get a nice red color. So now I have my main bowl that I'm going to be serving it in, and I'm just going to add a little spoon of my red pudding to my white pudding, mix it in and create a nice little swirl for our national color. So I have the white and I also have the red, so you could make a nice swirl pudding. Alright my wonderful friends, I hope you enjoyed making your wonderful Republic Day pudding. Remember to keep it in the fridge a little bit, and then you can enjoy it nice and cold. I hope you have a wonderful Republic Day, and of course I'll see you next time friends. Bye everyone. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.